Nestled in Greenbrook Village, this impeccably maintained home spans over 1,500 square feet, featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. As you step inside, a captivating water view immediately greets you, enhanced by recently installed luxury vinyl plank flooring that adds a touch of modern elegance. The kitchen has undergone a tasteful renovation, boasting updated appliances including a refrigerator, range, microwave, and dishwasher, along with newly adorned soapstone countertops, sink, and faucet added in 2024. Fresh interior paint in 2024 further illuminates the space, accentuating its light-filled ambience. Thoughtful design touches, such as custom-built shelving in the dinette area and a seamless flow into the generously sized living room, enhance the functionality of the layout. The master bedroom, located off the living room, offers his and hers walk-in closets for added convenience. Outside, the patio provides a serene retreat with stunning water views and privacy from neighboring properties. Other noteworthy upgrades include a water heater, new washer/dryer all installed in 2020, and a new air conditioner in 2021. With its prime location in Lakewood Ranch, residents enjoy easy access to fine dining and shops including Main Street Lakewood Ranch, Waterside Place, UTC Mall, Sarasota and Tampa airports, as well as quick trips to some of the nation's most beautiful beaches.